This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a sunroof, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a traction control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for shopping at Robinson Brothers Ford, located at 11455 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Please contact our business development office at 225-293-8900 for special wholesale pricing. Give us an opportunity to earn your business.